Samantala, enjoy na enjoy pa rin si Miss Universe Arbany Gabriel sa kanyang stay in the Philippines. Kabilang sa kanyang experiences, ang opportunity na magtahi ng damit na gawa sa native fabrics. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Personal na nasaksihan ni Miss Universe 2022 Arbany Gabriel na isa ring fashion designer ang talento ng mga Pinoy nang mag-host siya kagabi ng Young Designers Competition 2024. Wagi riyan si Prince Padilla na gaya ni Arbany, isa ring advocate ng sustainable fashion.
I'm like, oh my gosh, it takes so much work. They're very dedicated. And I was like, I want to wear some for a photo shoot.
Kahit nasa Pilipinas, tuloy-tuloy ang pagdidisenyo at pagtatahi ni Arbany ng mga damit. But this time, gamit naman ng native fabrics.
I've already collected a lot of fabrics from Divisoria, Sultan Kudarat. I was gifted piña fabric the other days.
May mga celebrity nga raw siya na gustong gawa ng damit. Kabilang si global fashion icon Heart Evangelista bilang isa namang hurado.
I really admire Anne Curtis Smith a lot, so I would love to dress her. Also, Heart Evangelista was here tonight, so I saw her. She looked beautiful.
I haven't been to the Philippines, but I grew up with a lot of Filipinos.
Sobrang enjoy raw si Arbony rito sa bansa, kaya malamang ay mag-extend pa siya. Pati nga kanyang Pinoy dad, aliw sa mga isinishare niya sa kanyang social media.
I was like, Dad, is this really you or is this a fake profile? He's always messaging me on TikTok. Isn't that funny? My dad's 85, so I'm like, how are you working TikTok? I don't know.
Next month, nakatakda ring dumalaw ang kanyang mga magulang dito sa Pinas. Bukod sa pagiging abala sa kanyang love for fashion, nakatakda ring mag-host si Arbany ng Coronation Night ng Miss Universe Philippines 2024 with Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards and Jeannie Mai.
I am excited to meet him, yes. We're planning the garments, we're planning the dresses, so I hope to see everybody there.
Abala na rin sa paghahanda ang mga kandidata niyan. Sa idinaos ngang sponsors night kagabi, inirampa nila ang mga gawang Pinoy na Filipiniana. Di nagpahuli si Miss Universe 2023 Shanice Palacios na looking regal in her gradient Filipiniana gown, suot pa ang kanyang crown. Equally gorgeous naman si reigning Miss Universe Philippines Michelle D in her signature color black Filipiniana gown.
You know, Shanice has been one of my closest friends in El Salvador. I'm so proud of her. I'm so happy that she finally felt the warm hospitality of the Philippines.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.